am the motivator. I am the options trader. I am the money coach. Are you making that money in the stock market, or are you just sitting back watching videos of other people making that money in the stock market? Options trading weekly update. Okay, man, it's been a crazy week, boy. But it's been a lovely week in the market. The market been going ham. The S&P 500 call options looking lovely over there, whichever way it is. Looking beautiful. Okay, I still got some long calls on HUT. I'm watching HUT, and there's some news out on HUT that Mara just took over the game, and I put some calls on Mara too once I found that news out on Mara. Okay, now the SPY hit the all-time high on the call options. If you want to get in, you want to learn more about this money, go ahead and get to the links below. You got to get into the stock market, you got to learn it, play around, educate yourself, and get that money. Then we're going to talk about options trading. I trade options to add money to my portfolio to make that money talk. Simple fact what it is. I love it. I'm learning it. I'm in the all in. I'm gonna be doing options all year long. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be updating you on the SPY call options. I still got some long HUT options. I might be thinking about switching them because that news with Mara taking over. And Mara call options looking nice. Okay, now failures of the week. Failures of the week. I was doing live and I had the SPY. I pulled the switcheroo on the SPY, and the put option didn't do well. Spent $59. You're not only supposed to spend 50. You know, if you want to know what happened, go ahead and watch that live video. I try to remix and get the good parts out later on. But man, that option didn't go well for me. Got up out of it. Took a loss, about $30. $30 loss on the put option on live. But in the call option, boy, that thing was doing beautiful. That thing. Be blessed to invest in yourself.